Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can resize pictures in Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on the site, and I will create a new project using whichever of these free-to-use templates I can, and I'll just delete all of the things or all the elements, all the layers aside from this picture. Now I can very easily resize this picture if I wanted to, and the way you can do this is to go into image, and here you just need to go into image size. From here you can select the width and height of the picture using the pixels. You can use resampling such as nearest neighbor, bilinear, and bicubic sharper if you wish to increase the size. You can also modify whether you want pixels, percent, centimeters, millimeters, etc. You can set up the DPI, and you can modify in some cases the actual aspect ratio. However, that should be modified itself once you insert the actual, as you can see, numbers for the width and height. As I've inputted now, it is in aspect ratio of 1:1, and if I click OK, as you can see, it elongated and pretty much just made the picture bigger. I could also go to image size again and make it 720 by 720, for example, keep the 1:1 aspect ratio, and if I do this, go OK, it is now smaller. Or I can create it, for example, for the entire screen, and let's say for my entire screen, my screen resolution is 1680 by 15, or 1690 by 1050, I think is my aspect ratio, or it might not be, it might be 1680, and yeah, it is an 8:5 aspect ratio, and just click OK, and then this is a resolution that fits my screen. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.